morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kemisha, aka Island Mommy, and this channel is all about everything mom related. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you liked today's video, and for all my existing subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support. That's Amari, guys. That's Amari. So for today's video, we're just going to be doing a day in the life. You know, when Amari and I are at home together. And it's not a weekend, it's Friday. It's Friday, guys. So I'm going to be showing you. Yes, Jaquan Thompson?
I cannot lift this broom anymore.
So why do you need to lift the broom?
But I cannot. But I will to lift the broom. I'm so pretty.
You're being strong. Say good morning.
Good morning.
You're not looking. Look and say good morning, man.
Good morning.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Go to Jaquan's channel.
Okay, it's Jaquan's channel. Anyways, what I was saying is for today's video, we're going to be doing a day in the life. So I'm going to be showing. The broom just dropping them in. Anyways, yes, day in the life.
Stop laughing for me.
Alright, I'm not laughing anymore. So hey guys, stay tuned and I hope you liked it. Just please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. And if you have any other video suggestion, please leave them in the comments. So let's get right to the video. Don't turn it on as yet.
Day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday,
Thursday, Friday,
Saturday.
Alright, let's do it one more time. Come on.
No,
The
we
days
not.
of the week are?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
No, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Good job. Alright, let's do the months of the year.
No.
The months of the year are?
January, February,
March,
April, May, June, July, August, September, October, December,
November, December. Alright, one more time. One more time. The months of the year are?
January, February, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,
November, and?
December.
Good job. How old are you?
3 years old.
Can you show me 3 fingers? Show me 3 fingers. Good job. When is your birthday?
23.
No.
22.
November. Yeah, November 22. Wait.
22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22.
Alright, so while Amari's breakfast is cooling, we're going to feed Floppy right now. So we're going to be feeding Floppy and then coming back to eat our breakfast.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach your skin as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me.
So Amari is watching an episode of PJ Masks while he eats his breakfast. I am going to be watching an episode of Arrow. One example when you're giving your child screen time is to give them a time limit and tell them that when this time is up, it means no more watching, right? So what I do with Amari, for example, I'm giving him 45 minutes. So I put that in on the timer and then I say to him, Amari, when the alarm goes off, what does that mean?
No more watching.
No more watching. And then I press play, and then he can go ahead and watch whatever he's watching
PJ Masks.
for the 45 minutes, and then when the alarm goes off, he knows that there is no more watching and he should turn off the tablet. And that works well for us. So that's just a tip that you can do when you're giving your child screen time. So what we're going to do now is we finished doing our little watching session. So today we're going to be focusing on our numbers, and there's this game that we'll play where can I borrow some? Thank you. So we have these foam numbers, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide them like in the living room, and then he's going to find them and tell me what number they are.
hide them.
No, you have to close your eyes. Come, close your eyes. Close your eyes and no cheating. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No cheating, no. No, close your eyes. Alright, ready? So when you find them, you can put them in this box here. Good job. Come and put 6 in the box.
Hey, grab it.
Show it.
Show it.
Alright, so 6. Good job. Look if I find any more.
6.
No, hold it up. Let me see that one. What numeral is that?
8.
Good job.
That's show it.
Show it. Nice. Look if I find any more.
1.
Turn it around. What numeral?
1.
Good. we're going on to our next activity, and that's just, we're using the same foam and we're just going to identify these numbers. So I'm going to just line them out on the ground and you just point at it and tell me what number it is. That is
1.
Can just touch them.
1
And
and 2
yeah.
and 3 and 4
And
and 9.
5.
9.
6.
6 and 9.
7. Go back to the next one. Go back to it.
7.
7.
Me.
What is it?
Tell me what is it?
It is 8.
Yeah, 8.
And this one is?
6.
No, it's 9.
9.
See this turn different? Alright, so let's do it one more time. Come.
We finished already.
No, we're not.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Give me an high five. Good job. So yeah, while Amari's in the bathroom, you guys notice that I haven't done any like homeschooling video in a hot minute, and that's just because things have changed since Amari started going to school. It has been very, very different. Like the other day he told me that he does not want me teaching him anything because he's a big boy and he can do it all by himself, and that crushed me. Did you flush? So that crushed me when he said that. I was like, oh my god. But we're working on like a new schedule and routine and stuff because I don't know. So we're working on that. Wash your hands as well. So we're working on, I'm going to do a full video explaining what has been happening with homeschooling and what it has been like since he started school. So that's going to be a whole different shebang. Anyways, today we're just not really being very structured. It's Friday and he's not going to school for the next week because 1 week has already passed, so it's been next week or maybe longer, we're not sure. So that's that, but learning must continue, right? I can't just keep them at home and just allow them to just watch TV or watch cartoons all day, even though that would be fun for us. Anywho, we're going to be doing something from this book. So while we're focusing on numbers in general, he's climbing on the edge of the city. I'm not even going to be a minute man. But anyways, while we're focusing on numbers for today, we're going to be specifically focusing on numeral 6.
Shady, you see a boy coming on the jetty ad. That better.
That's better. Go and get your crayons. You can go and get the crayons. Guys, you see the struggles? No, I'm not turning it that way. He loves to be on camera. He's always wanting to take pictures. And Shaniel, picture me. I must video this. I'm like, child, calm down. Alright, seriously now, go for the crayons now. Go and get your crayons. Anywho, alright, so we're going to be doing numeral 6. So we're going to be doing these 2 pages today. And this. So we're going to be doing these. Is it?
And stuff.
6. Good job. All right, you can use your finger and trace it.
Trace it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And what numeral is it?
6.
6. All right, look at the picture below it. You see them? These. What are those?
Melon.
Melons. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Can I get a high five?
Yes.